Hey everyone, it's Dylan Duo here. Now, it's what all of you been waiting for. The unboxing with my good best friend, Brendan Barney.
What's up, YouTube?
And, I'm sure you've seen on Twitter, the DVD I'm unboxing is the brand new Thomas & Friends DVD, Extraordinary Engines.
Uh-huh.
See, Brendan?
Yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna get it. Anyway, here's the front. 6 never-before-seen episodes. Front. Here's the spine. Got a character profile of Thomas. And the back. Propel into Adventure. And bonus features are Let's Go Sing-Along music video, Spring is Here sing-along music video, and Railway Fun with Thomas.
That's cool.
Yeah, but I don't remember what season is this DVD.
It's season 20.
Okay. There's the back. So, let's get down to unboxing it.
Yeah, let's.
There's all the shrink wrap.
Yep.
And now, let's take a look at the disc.
Yep, let's do it.
And first of all, we get a little advertisement for some Thomas & Friends blocks.
I think those are Mega Blocks.
Yep, Mega Blocks. And there's another one on the back.
Uh-huh.
Yep. And then here's the disc with Thomas on it, with nice artwork.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yep.
I heard that the credits to that DVD were terrible.
Yeah, in case you guys didn't know, me and Brendan looked up the credits for the DVD, and they were pretty mixed up.
Yeah, most of them were spelling errors or typos.
Yeah. But that aside, I'm sure the DVD will be good.
Yep, I'm sure it would.
Yep.
We rhymed.
Yep. And here's the receipt for the DVD. It only cost me $9.88, so I only paid $10 for the DVD.
Cool.
Yep. And that was my quick unboxing of Thomas & Friends Extraordinary Engines on DVD. I'd like to thank my special guest for being in the video.
You're welcome, Dylan.
Be sure to subscribe, and as always, be sure to subscribe to Brendan Barney because he has amazing content.
I sure do.
And, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out, fans.
Peace.